Okay, today we're going to do a video about how to save water in a caravan. So this is a fairly standard setup. Obviously it's the kitchen sink, mixer tap. It's got a standard insert at the end of the mixer. If I turn that on now, it's got quite high water flow. That's cold, that's hot. So obviously you do need a certain amount of water for washing up, but if you're just washing your hands or you don't need a lot of water, then you can reduce the water flow coming out the tap. So instead we're going to fit something like this. This is a 4 litre per minute flow restrictor, and it also acts as a sort of a tap aerator. It's actually a bit of a shower fitting on this particular one, but it will restrict the flow down to 4 litres per minute. So I'm just going to put that one in now. To take it out, we just need these are 24mm male tap aerators that fit this particular tap. There are different sizes like 18mm, 20mm, 22mm, but 24mm is the most common size. This is a 22mm spanner which fits the tap aerator. So if I just slacken it off, and then you can, it's only finger tight really. The new tap aerator which is going in there has a rubber washer. So I'm going to screw that in. It doesn't actually need to be very tight at all. Just need to tighten up a little tiny bit because the rubber washer is going to get pretty good seal anyway. So if we try that now, that's restricted down to 4 litres per minute. So now we're going to go and take a look at the bathroom. So it's a typical caravan bathroom. We've got a shower cubicle and a small wash basin. The wash basin here, we realise that especially if you're running off an aquaroll, you might only have 40 litres in the aquaroll, so you want to make that go as far as possible. This sink is probably mainly used for sort of brushing teeth and washing hands and things. We rarely actually fill the sink up with water, so we need a very low flow rate coming out of this tap. So at the moment it's pretty unrestricted. If you're brushing your teeth with that, it's going to use up a 40 litre aquaroll pretty quickly. But instead we're going to put in a 2 litre per minute flow restrictor, which again is like a little shower fitting. Okay, so we now have a 2 litre per minute flow restrictor fitted to this sink. As you can see, that is a really low water flow, which is going to conserve loads of water. It's going to make the aquaroll go a lot further. Obviously if you're connected directly to the mains it doesn't matter as much, but it's definitely going to stop you going backwards and forwards filling the aquaroll a lot, this one. Now in the shower we've done some water saving here as well. So what we've done is we've fitted one of our low energy water saving shower fittings. This is restricts the water down to about 7 litres per minute. It's an aerating type shower, so it has an air intake at the bottom, and basically that sucks a bit of air in that causes a bit of back pressure on the water coming up through the pipe, and that then in turn reduces the water flow slightly. We'll turn that on. You see it's like a fairly powerful flow coming out of it. If I cover up the air intake, and then release it again, you see that the water flow is quite low in caravan, but with the air intake you get a more powerful shower effect and still not using too much water. Something else which we've added onto this shower, I just put the shower head back up at the top there, is a stop valve which is down here. So obviously this is a mixer shower, so when you're running off a pump supply it does take a little bit of fiddling around to get the right temperature. So on this one we've got hot this way, cold that way. So supposing we've adjusted the shower to the correct temperature, you you may not want to keep the shower on the whole time, sort of while you're shampooing or something, so you may want to turn the water flow off quickly, but without messing up your hot-cold adjustment. So I'll turn that on. Here's the stop valve. Just flip the switch across. It's as easy as that to turn it off without adjusting the temperature that you've adjusted. So when you want it to come back on again, you just flip back again, turn it back off again here, flip the valve back, and the water flow is still off. So again, that's going to save quite a lot of water. Okay, that's all for today, thanks.